Good morning. This is another question that I solved for my student. Find the value of the unknown. We have this triangle not drawn to scale. It is not drawn to scale. Not drawn to scale. So what we have now is this is angle 90. This is 90. This is a right angle triangle. We have different type of triangle in mathematics. We have right angle triangle. We have scaling triangle, we have obtuse triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So to start this, to solve this, what we are going to do now is solution. And to solve this is very simple. Since the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree, what we are meant to do is y plus 90 degree, this is 90 degree here, plus 45 degree, that will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is y plus 90 degree plus 45 degree. That's going to give me 90 plus 40, that's actually going to be 130. That will be 135 degree. So that's equals to 180 degree. And in mathematics, we do what I'm meant to do now is collect like terms. And how can I collect like terms? I can do it in two ways. It's either I say this 135 degree will go to the right hand side, or I will say subtract 135 degree from both sides. Anyone? Okay. If I'm using that subtract, that will be y plus 135 degree minus 135 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. The main purpose is to remove 135 degree from here so that y will be standing alone and y will be equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. That's going to be, if I remove 100, it will remain 80. In the 80, if I remove 30, remain 50. 50, if I remove 5, to remain 45 degree. Yeah. So the answer to this question is 45 degree. And if I add 45 degree plus 45 degree plus 90 degree, I'm going to have 180 degree. So another question that we also solve here, which is also very simple and very easy, is this. Let's look at another question that says we should find the value of the unknown, and we have something of this type, because I said we have different shapes that we can solve to find the value of the unknown. This is not also drawn to scale. This is not drawn to scale. This is a trapezium. And this is x. This is x. Let's assume that this is s. This is 60 degree, and this is also 2x. So it will solve the solution not drawn to scale. Not drawn to scale. So step one, from the diagram, the sum of angle in a trapezium, because this looks like a trapezium, it is 360 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is x plus 2x plus 60 degree is equals to 360 degree. So what I'm going to do now, s plus 2s, that is 4x, s plus s 2s, 2s plus x, that is 4x, plus 60 degree is equals to 360 degree. So what I'm going to do now is 4x plus 60 degree minus 60 degree is equals to 360 degree minus 60 degree. So I'm subtracting 60 degree from both sides so that this can cancel this. So I have 4x is equals to 300, right? 360 degree minus 60 degrees 300. So divide both sides by 4. Why am I dividing by 4? Because I'm finding the value of the x, which is the unknown. So that will be equals to 4 here 1, 4 in 300, that is 75. So we have 75 degrees. So the value of the x is equals to 75 degrees. So solved. He solved. Thank you.